CrowdStrike's official response, and again, this was while they were on stage doing their stuff, which is probably very scary for them. After detecting several malicious NPM packages in the public NPM registry, a third-party open source repository, we swiftly removed them and proactively rotated our keys in public registries. I would ask why that wasn't happening before, but that's a different story. These packages are not used in the Falcon sensor. The platform is not impacted and customers remain protected. Start the clock. We are working with NPM and conducting a thorough investigation. So key points from the response: swift action, cool security measures that they've talked about, proactive registration of keys. Falcon sensor remains unaffected. I always say start the clock. Anytime somebody says data hasn't been touched or whatever else, start the clock. And of course, no impact on customer security. Don't see how that's possible here. That's a pretty early instance of being ahead of it and saying that without really having veracity that that's true. Attack methodology, the Shai-Hulud worm demonstrates sophisticated capabilities. Downloads and runs TruffleHog, searches host scanners for tokens and cloud credentials, validates developer and CI creds, creates unauthorized GitHub actions, exfiltrates data to external URLs, propagates and amplifies the attack. Scale of compromise in total, and this is what I could find from all my research, 580 plus compromised package versions, 47 packages are still available, which is not cool. 700 plus private repositories are made public, and multiple major organizations. So this is where I say I don't understand how CrowdStrike can say no customers were affected with a supply chain attack that is being responded to in real time when there are already customers that are saying that that's showing up. Attack vector analysis. The initial compromise remains unclear, but security researchers noted it did not appear to be from a traditional phishing campaign. So that also means, how did they get that in there? There's other issues, maybe insider threat, maybe software stuff or whatever else, but bigger problems potentially. This differs from previous NPM attacks like the September 8th attack that we all know and love that use phishing emails from fake domains like npmjs.help. Context and broader implications. So the attack follows a concerning pattern of NPM ecosystem compromises in 2025. So far this year, there's been Chalk, Debug, and other packages. I guess there was packages, NX was compromised as well, and then multiple incidents of JavaScript, which we all kind of know about. Expert analysis from Step Security and Cybel. This attack demonstrates a concerning evolution in supply chain threats. The malware includes a self-propagating mechanism that automatically infects downstream packages, which is not good. Cybel called it a, quote, significant escalation in supply chain attack sophistication and targeting precision with, quote, potential state-sponsored or APT threat group involvement. I would say that that's probably very realistic here, just based on the type of attack and the proliferation and those types of things, and the fact that CrowdStrike is a giant mega target for APTs. Detection methods. How can you detect this thing? Runtime monitoring, looking for suspicious JavaScript, webhook.site communications, repository monitoring. If you see Shai-Hulud, like I said earlier, problem, and credential scanning. If you see TruffleHog showing up, TruffleHog shouldn't be there probably. Mitigation strategies. Audit everything, package removal, cleaning that up, credential rotation, please rotate your credentials now, enhanced security, scanning, multi-factor credential vaulting, which is all stuff that we should basically have, which again, this makes me go back to, if CrowdStrike is a security company, why aren't these part of the practices within their development ecosystem? Monitoring improvements, SBOM, CI/CD, GitHub workflow, which you should have anyway. Lessons learned, zero trust is a thing, trust model vulnerabilities, credential management, automated propagation. Industry response so far, these things can take place, but they should be part of it, in my opinion, already. Trusted publishers, approval processes, enhanced monitoring. And so this is a comparison to the July 2024 CrowdStrike outage that I put together that basically bricked the internet and caused $10 billion damage. But let's talk about this real quick.